Yes, now recording has been started. So good morning all. I am Swati Jadhav, Assistant Professor in Pimpri-Chinchwad College of Engineering, and we at the Student Welfare Development Team welcome you all for this today's session on non-government scholarship awareness. Okay, so I will just begin with the session. Like these are the non-private scholarship available which focus on Pune district colleges. Like we belongs to Pune district college. Our college belongs to Pune region, University. So the very first scholarship is Leela Punawalla Foundation Scholarship. This scholarship is they are giving the scholarship to the girl students, only girl students, and the region from the students from Pune, Amravati, and Verda district. Okay, so this Leela Punawalla Foundation scholarship I will take in detail because we have the collaboration with we at the PCCOE we have collaborated with this associated with this Leela Punawalla Foundation since last couple of years, and like I will be giving you the complete process of this, and lot many students are getting benefited out of this scholarship. Okay, the count was like till the date 500 students, girl students from the Pimpri-Chinchwad College of Engineering got benefited through this foundation LPF scholarship. Okay, so at the end I will be more focusing on this, how you can fill the forms, what needs to be taken care to be get selected for this scholarship. So the girl students should be very conscious about this. They have to note it down very carefully. Then we are having the Kiran scholarship, which is provided by the Persistent Foundation. So again, the 40, again, this is for the girl students. 40 girl students will get selected every year. And this scholarship is for the BE and BTech. So whatever scholarship today we are discussing that are particularly for the course which we have, which you have chosen. Okay, like engineering, you have chosen. It the branch is not an constant, you can apply for it. Okay, so I will just go on. This is the Kiran scholarship. Okay, Jyoti ma'am, can you acknowledge me whether my screen is visible? This persistent page, web page is visible?
Yes, madam. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
It is visible.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. So the Kiran scholarship, they have given 40,000 per year and for the 4 year of engineering course. Okay. Then eligibility criteria they have mentioned: first year engineering girls pursuing computers and information technology. Oh, this persistence is for specially computer and IT students. But not don't worry, we are discussing the lot more scholarship which will be focusing on other branch as well. Okay, so don't worry about that. Then 70% marks should be there into 10 standard and 12 standard. Second year students also can be fill the form. Okay, for that also they have mentioned the criteria, but the candidate pursuing the course should be that college should be in Pune, Nagpur, Goa, Hyderabad. So of course you have chosen the college as a PCCA, so we came under the Pune district, so that will not be an problem. Annual income should be less than 5 lakh. Okay, और यहाँ पे सारी process they have mentioned. So before 31st Jan you need to fill the form. Okay, online form will be there. So shortly we will be sharing this document with you through your coordinator. So you have to make sure that before 31st January you need to fill the online form. Then they will shortlist you, and then first round of test or interview, and then second round, and then home visit will be there. And by end of the March 2021 you will get the result will get declared. Okay, so you might think that it's too late March 2021, but let me clear you that once they select you at the beginning, they will continue this scholarship till the end completion of your graduation. So do not take this as a for the first year, right? If you got selected, you will get this scholarship for rest of your graduation. Keep in this mind. Okay, and all the details are given over here. Again, if you want, like we like from our college also, few of the girl students got selected for this persistent scholarship before. So they also can share the experience with you. Okay. So you need to be in touch with your coordinator. Like for the first year, Sushma Parmar ma'am is there, and for the second year, like direct second year students can directly contact to me. Okay, if you are having any doubt with any scholarship, then or in other way you can have your departmental. Like if any student is there from the department, you can contact to your SWAT coordinator, or directly you can contact with our head, that is Jyoti Kulkarni ma'am. Okay, who is the central in charge for this SWAT committee. Okay, if you find any difficulty in filling form, you can directly contact to any one of us. Okay, we are always ready to help you out. Then we are having the RMD our RMD scholarship, right, which is Rashik Lal Manikchand Dariwal Foundation scholarship. So they are giving the scholarship of 5,000 to 10,000. Okay, and again it is for the Pune district. But for this, the online application facility is not available. Okay, you have to fill the physical form. Physically you have to visit their office, which is you have heard about Hotel Lee Meridian, which is the five-star hotel, the very famous hotel in Pune region. So behind that only they are having their office. Okay, RMD office, it is near to Pune station. So you have to visit that office and you have to pick the form from their office, and you have to fill that form. After that they will call you for the personal interview. Okay, so those who are in need of scholarship, they can contact to RMD Foundation. Okay, then Disha Parivar Public Trust. So again they are giving like this Disha Parivar is like the theme is like they are they are bridging the gap between the two hands. Like they are having the donors, and that donors, the mediator, this the public trust is playing the role of the mediator. Just donors list are there, and the one who needs the scholarship, and they just shaking their hands, okay, together. So but again for this like you have to, yes, it's not opening here. So, but the through this website, you will come to know the details like deadline, the criteria, and of course, they are giving the scholarship for the engineering students as well. Okay, so you can get more detail through this website. Okay, so basically girl student, you need to fill, if you are in really need the scholarship, you have to fill the form of LPF, and you need to fill the form of Kiran. Okay, for the girl student I'm talking about. Then for the boys, you can fill the form, right? For this, girls also can apply. Be very clear. For the RMD Foundation scholarship, you can apply. The girls also can apply, and for the Disha also, girls can apply. Okay, boys and girls both are allowed. Then we are having Indian Oil Merit Scheme. Okay, Indian Oil Merit Scheme. So this is the Indian Oil scholarship. So like here, so again, same thing. Depending upon the qualification, you can earn 1,000 to 3,000 monthly, and toppers get additional bonus of 10,000 rupees. So the details you will get over here with this website. Okay, so you need to check if you are interested with this scholarship. You need to go. Click on this URL, and you will get the more detail of that, like what is the deadline, where you can apply, or online facilities is there provided by them to submit the application, or you have to visit their office. Okay, then we are having Punjab Rao Deshmukh Hostel Scholarship. Okay, anyone living in college hostel, for them this scholarship is there. It's just for the hostel. Okay, So again, all the URL we are giving you, you need to check it. Okay. Then scholarships for the engineering students all over India. Whatever scholarship we have discussed now, that are particularly focusing on the Pune region colleges. Okay. But Siemens scholarship program is for the all over India. Okay. So we will see what are the deadlines for the Siemens scholarship. Okay. The Siemens scholarship program empowering the future. So this apply now. Okay. So 2021 is now currently active, and all the details they have given. Who is this program for, right? Who are the Siemens scholars and where are they placed? Okay. So you will just not take this scholarship as just for the financial funding, but if you are getting the scholarship from the persistent Sybase Siemens, then that scholarship students can be will get opportunity to work with them, right? So ये Siemens scholarship भी देगा, and the job also they will provide if you will able to show the performance to them, right? So yes, for the Siemens 2021 scholarship is active now. Okay, so you can just go through it. It's active. Apply now, matlab it's active. You can apply. Okay. Then next is Keep India Smiling Foundation Scholarship Program. This is by the Colgate. Okay, very famous brand, toothpaste brand. Okay, so ye like we have seen advertised on the TV, right? Also, so again you can go with this. Then Sitaram Jindal Foundation Scholarship. Okay, Sitaram Jindal Scholarship. Let us see whether it's active. So yes, here you can apply for it. So they have mentioned the categories. So particularly the engineering will belongs to this E category, right? Category E is for the engineering and medical courses. Both the girls and boys can apply, and they have mentioned some criteria that amount per month kitna milega and eligibility kya hai, and those who want to submit, they can just click on that, fill this form and upload whatever information they have given. Just read this information in detail, scan this copy and send them. Okay, if anyone is having any query, we will have the discussion at the end. You can note it down. Otherwise, we are sharing this document to you as well. Okay. For that, if you want this document, for that, we at the end of the session we will be providing you the attendance Google form. You need to fill this Google form where you need to put your email address, and through that email address we will able to provide you this document. Okay. Then HDFC Educational Crisis Scholarship. Okay. So in detail, the scholarship is mentioned, that crisis scholarship they have mentioned. Okay, and apply now. Okay, apply now. 15 July. Okay, it's closed, right? It's closed. So we will not, let's not to discuss about this. It's closed. Okay, HDFC, but it is one of the scholarship where you can apply, or might you have applied. Then Swami Dayanand Educational Foundation Merit Cum Scholarship. Okay. Yes, Swami Dayanand. Empowering through education, providing scholarship in India and USA. So we need to check whether it's active. College scholarship program India. Okay. So 100% fund. So if you want, like if you are interested, they have given the contact details as well. You can just contact or write on this number, WhatsApp number also they have given. You can just contact and ask, right? Okay, USA scholarship, India scholarship, uh, India college scholarship program 2021. Okay, 2021. So they have given all the details, and if you are having any query, you can just put the mail or you can WhatsApp. Okay. So yes, it's active now. You can fill the form over here. Okay. Then nurturing brilliance Cummins scholarship. Again, it is very no, we can say known scholarship, Cummins scholarship. Okay. Again, I must say it is active, right? It's active. Last date of accepting is revised to be 25th, but it's not, again, we are not having very we are not having much day in our hand. Okay, 25 is very close to the 20, right? Only 5 days we are having in our hand. So those who are really interested, they need to fill this form very quickly. Okay. That Cummins, you have heard about the Cummins, right? It is an industry, well-known industry. Okay. So all the details they have given. For like to make this process very easy, what we have done, we have given you the direct link for the submission of your form, right? Or the details where you get. So this document is will help you a lot. Okay. So if you are interested, like you can highlight, you can make the note, right? Let's go for this scholarship for this year. Let's go with the Siemens scholarship as it is active. Let's go with the Cummins scholarship. Okay. Just highlight this, so later you can uh, fill that form. Okay. So again, I must say that Cummins is also having is giving the scholarship to our students since last few years. So Cummins is giving, then Leela Poonawalla Foundation is giving, Persistence is giving, Sybage is giving. Okay. So our request will be just go for that scholarship, because we have the live example of the students who are getting that scholarship. Okay. Then we are having Cummins, so you can just mention, note down Cummins scholarship. Yashad Sumedha scholarship program. Okay. Partnership in this one. So let's see whether it is active. For the details, you can just, you need to read the things. Okay. So यहाँ पे also scholars. Okay. They have given some new scholars list. So I think they have list of Sumita. So I think they have done with that scholarship process for this year. Okay. So I think, okay. So again, you can just check out over here whether they are accepting application or not. And again, right, you can ask them, right, like we are in need of the scholarship, even though if your application is closed, the process is closed, if on special request, just allow us to submit the application. Just you can write, there is no harm in writing the application, right? Writing the email. Then national scholarship exam, this is the exam. Okay. Where students have to give the exam, and depending upon the score they will be getting the scholarship. It's not opening here. Okay. Then OP Jindal engineer and management scholarship. OP Jindal. Okay. So like building community journey. Okay. Just now it's the scholarship is there, but right now like URL is just showing the its home page. Okay. So we have to search about the scholarship tag over there. If those who are interested, they can search it. Then we are having M scholarship. Okay. Magma FinCrop. So we will check whether it's active or not. Magma announced names of 100 students for the M scholarship. Again, this, I think this has been closed. Then, because of this pandemic, because of this pandemic, like admission process got delayed. That's why few of the scholarship already have done with that process. But again, from our side, from our at the institute level, we have taken the efforts that as we are getting lot numbers in Leela Poonawalla foundations, so we have requested them just uh, in, increase the deadline for submission of application so that our students can fill the application over there. So that's few of the scholarships deadlines got delayed. Okay. So then JSPN scholarship, uh, JSPN scholarship, ETG announced that we have started receiving the scholarship applications for year 2021. So it's open, right? It's open. So you can apply over here. Uh, Online submission started 10 October 2020. Okay. Upload document. Closure date scholarship applications for 2021. Let's check whether we can apply or not. So again, I think it's closed, right? It's closed. We can't do anything. It's closed. But just you can remember the things that if they are allowed in between, if you are not getting in the scholarship in first year, for this scholarship you can apply for the second year as well. Okay. But you have to be in touch with this like the latest news coming on their sites. Okay. Then here we are having this scholarship. Let's see whether it's live, active or not. What scholarship? Um, Basically, what you can do, if they are close, you can just put the mail contact number. You can contact to their, we can say, the contact details they have. Just you can fresh application. Yes. So it's you can submit the application, right? Whatever they have asked, you can write it down and you can send that through the mail, okay? Or the process might they have mentioned. So if you are interested, you should read all the disclosures and what we can say the details they have given, and accordingly you need to apply for that scholarship, okay? Then we are having Adobe India Women in Technology Scholarship. Okay, Adobe India. So again, so let's check whether the scholarship is active or not. No, the following million. No, it's not active. It's done, right? It's done. But again, those who are not getting the scholarship in this uh, first year, they can think of this for the second year. Okay. Then next scholarship is Fair and Lovely Foundation Scholarship. Fair and Lovely, very known brand. They are providing the scholarship for the woman. Okay. So just we need to check the dates for the same. Okay. Uh, Yes, career guidance scholarship. In scholarship, okay, applications are closed now. Again, it is closed, so we will not discuss much. Then Laurel India for young women in science scholarship. This is for the research. Then Lee Grant scholarship program and Indo-US fellowship for women in STEM. It's for the research. If you are having, if you are the girl students and if you are having anything in your mind and which the respective with the research, so for that they are funding your research work. Okay, so now we will discuss more about the Leela Poonawalla Foundation scholarship, because like PCCOE girl students are getting selected for that scholarship more. Okay, so now I will discuss in detail the process of Leela Poonawalla Foundation scholarship. So it's active now for the direct second year and the second.
मॅडम
Yes.
सॉरी हा एकच मिनिट
हो.
फक्त कमिंग स्कॉलरशिप राहिली का कव्हर करायची?
सांगितलं मॅम, तरी पण आपण डिटेल मध्ये सांगूयात एकदा.
हा म्हणजे LPF झाल्यानंतर एकदा कमिन्स पण सांगाल,
हो हो
म्हणजे ते बॉईजला थोडंसं युजफुल होईल.
हो हो. येस.
ओके.
Okay. Now I will discuss more about the LPF scholarship. So here, what you have to search on the Google, right? Leela Poonawalla Foundation scholarship. Okay, like I will request all the girls' parents, all the girl students, just put the application. Okay, because they are selecting the girl candidates more in the Pune, right? Like we are having very good students in PCCOE, so the most chances of getting selected over there. So it's humble request from our side to please fill the form, please complete the process. We are there to help you out in every step. Okay, so let's discuss. On Google you need to search Leela Poonawalla Foundation. Then this like if you type Leela Poonawalla Foundation. Okay, here I have typed Leela Poonawalla Foundation. Just allow me to add. Okay, here then you have to click on this. Then Pune. Okay, Pune you have to apply for Pune. You have to select. Then they will this page will be coming. Then here they go now for the engineering after diploma in Pune region. It's not closed till 7th of Feb. They are accepting the forms. Okay, so all the diploma students you need to apply for this. Okay, and for the filling the applications, you have to make the payment of 300. Okay, 300 rupees you need to pay. So, but देखो, what are the advantages with this scholarship? If you got selected at the beginning for the first year or might for the direct second year, this scholarship will be continued till your graduations, right? And they are giving you the scholarship like 40,000, 50,000 per year, right? Again, not only this, training programs will be given you for the free of cost. Few of the students are very poor in English language communication. Like they are having the confidence, their confidence level is very low. So they are arranging the technical program training session for those students free of cost. Okay, for the scholarship availing students. Okay, so a lot of we can say budget they are putting on training the students in for technical skills or for the soft skills. So and again, if you are like if you are not getting place anywhere, so they are helping you for the placement as well, like helping you to be having the securing a good job. So take this as an opportunity. Okay, take this as an opportunity. So the for the diploma students, the date is 7th Feb. You need to submit online application form, and the hard copy you need to submit in by Monday, 8 Feb at LPF Baner office. Okay, you can courier it Okay, you can courier it, no problem. But for the to reach that courier by this date, you have to start filling application right now. Okay, if you are far away from the Pune. Okay, and in worst case, we will be helping you. You can send your copy to the college, and we will be submitting those copy to the foundation. But you have to try it at your own level. Okay. Then for the like engineering, first year engineering, the 31st January is last date, right? And 1st Feb तक उनका hard copy पहुंचना चाहिए. So like today, tomorrow, like in this week itself, you need to fill your form. Okay. So now what I'm doing, I'm like showing you the sample application form, how it look like. Leela Punwala, what are the fields in this form? Okay. So you have to read all the things very carefully. Okay. While filling the form. So these are the terms and condition, right? You have to go through this. Then this is the personal details, which you have to fill very carefully. And the major focus is these 5 questions, which you need to uh, fill very carefully. These are the 5 questions. Okay. Describe your strength and weakness, both personal and academic. So यहाँ पे आपका खुद का लिखना है strength and weakness. What we observe students, girl students are writing this weakness and strength, or they are just copying this on a net. Like for example, I will be showing you what you are doing. You are just going on Google and you are asking to the Google. But Google, how Google will able to answer this question? It's your strength and weakness. Okay, and accordingly you are just copying this and pasting over there. So that is wrong indication. Okay, it's wrong attitude. If you are if you are really needy person, you should write it very genuinely. What is your strength and weakness for the personal as well as academic? If you are having any doubt, you can contact me. Okay, I will happy to help you, but don't copy it and don't steal it. Okay, दूसरों का भी, अरे मेरे फ्रेंड भी भर रहा है एप्लीकेशन, उसका ही कॉपी करती हूँ. नो, इट्स योर जॉब. ओके, देन डिस्क्राइब योर फ्यूचर प्लान आफ्टर कंप्लीशन ऑफ योर एजुकेशन. Take 2 days to write this question. Okay, because this question will like they are having marks to this question, and this question will help you to get selected for the scholarship. Okay, mind my words, these questions will help you to select you for this scholarship, which will give you per year 40 to 50,000. And not only that, they will be helping you to shape your future as well as to get a better career, better placement, and I must say a better virtual family. Okay, describe your future plans after completion of your education. क्या है खुद के फ्यूचर के प्लान क्या है? Mention any extra efforts you are making to achieve your plan, right? So that you have to write in very sensitive manner, and genuine answers are expected. Right? Describe your hobbies, extracurricular activities, and significant achievement in the same. आपके खुद के कुछ अचीवमेंट है, right? If you are a topper in a class, mention that. If you have won something at national, international level, mention that. State level, mention that. Okay, but it should be here, and they will cross check these answers in at the time of interview. After this, right? After this, they will call you for the interview process, right? In one of the hotel. So where 5-star hotel, where they will test your attitude, like the manner in which you are speaking. Like it's common question when you are coming to the interview, when you are coming to any interview for the scholarship, you should be ready with your strength, weakness, and who you are, and why we should give, why we should invest you on. whether that will reflect in the societal like enhancement. ये बंदा जाके सोसाइटी में कुछ तो add on करेगा, right? They will check whether she or he is social or he is so personal, he is so mean. That attitude they will check. Take it for any scholarship. It might be your Cummins scholarship, it might be your persistent scholarship. All they are checking your attitude towards the society, towards your family, right? Are you getting? So this you have to like when you're coming, when the interview call is there, you should be very well prepared in advance. You have to do self-analysis, SWOT analysis of yourself. What are my strengths? What are my weakness? Why they should select me for this scholarship? Why should they invest? Like if you take a 50,000 per year, they are investing 50 into 4. Like, so in lakhs they are investing on you. So why they should invest on me? That question you have to ask yourself, and so that you can prepare it accordingly. You can justify yourself that you just invest on me. I will give like that will be added. That will add something to the society. They are not asking you to revert back the money, right? In term of your family, in term of your college, in term of your society. Okay, so that thing they are checking. So be very clear when filling a form. If that's descriptive questions they have asked, it's not just the documentation, it's about the testing. Keep in mind. Okay, so what I want to tell you that this is about. And when once you have selected, just contact me. Like if you are getting the call from the foundation for interview process, then just have one conversation with me. Like we will have one more session on interview, like how you should prepare for your interview, or we can have the demo interview as well. Whether we will be taking your interview, how you should present yourself, so that the chances of getting selected would be more. Okay, and whatever you need to tell in the interview, any kind of interview, that should be very true. No fake things you have to told. Okay, whatever the exact real time things are there, real condition is there, that you need to demonstrate. Okay, आपके पापा क्या करते हैं, what income he is having, because it's very easy to trap the students in interview. ये बंदा ये गलत बोल रहा है और झूठ बोल रहा है, it's not very difficult for the panel member to decide. Okay, it's very easy because they are sitting, they are doing this job since lot many years, and you are facing interview for the first time. So it's very easy to caught you if you are fooling them. Okay, so just not to just try to be open, try to be transparent, just be as you are. It should be very true. And if you are really needy one, I will assure that definitely you will get selected. Okay, so again next we will talk about the Cummins scholarship. Okay, next we will talk about the Cummins scholarship. Again, you can think about persistent scholarship. Let me tell about the Cummins scholarship. Yes, Cummins scholarship. This is Nurturing Brilliance Cummins scholarship program. So देखो यहाँ पे last date, how to fill Cummins 2020 application form. Last date is 25 Jan. Okay, so only 5 days in your hand. Okay, तो ये जो फॉर्म फिलिंग का प्रोसेस है ना, you have to take this very seriously, because it can change your whole life if you are doing your graduation peacefully, right, without any financial we can say tensions, right, on your head, without any loan. You can you can put that time, right, that your time and all the things, energy into the betterment of your education, right? enhancing your skill sets. So it's opening, it's downloading, but it's open. You can fill this form. Okay, these are open to girls and boys, both are applicable. So how to fill that application form? They have given some documentation. I'm trying to open the documentation part. Okay, just wait a minute. We will wait for a minute. Okay, by that time, anyone is having any question in mind? So you can apply for the CMAs, Cummins, Persistent, Leela Poonawalla Foundation, Disha Parivar, then RMD Foundation. By that time, I will open the platform for the parents, for the students, if they are having any queries. By the time, all the parents can fill this form, okay, so that you will get that detailed PDF. Can we apply for more than one scholarship? Yes. Just be very careful that you need to read the details they have mentioned. Rules and regulations are mentioned on each scholarship web page. Okay, they have given in detail. So yes, you can apply for multiple scholarships. So yes, they have given the guidelines 2021. एलिजिबिलिटी दिया है 60% प्रीवियस एग्जाम में चाहिए. देन फर्स्ट ईयर सेकेंड ईयर डिप्लोमा स्टूडेंट प्रेफर 25 के.
हेलो मैम.
यस,
आपने जो लिंक सेंड की है ना अभी चैट में, उसके लिए परमिशन मांग रहे हैं वो लोग.
ओके, जस्ट गिव मी अ मिनट.
ओके.
यस, नाउ यू कैन फिल इट. Yes, income certificate is required, right? So this is about this student in their final year of professional diploma courses and are not eligible for the scholarship. Total family income इन्होंने 3 lakh बोला है. They have like income is 3 lakh per annum. Okay. Then scope बताया है financial support. Stationery bill 1,500 per semester and 3,000 per semester, and fees देते हैं exam fees, university fee, tuition fee, boarding and lodging transport are not allowed. laptop देते हैं ये लोग Cummins वाले. Okay. So process, स्कॉलरशिप सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस, ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन होता है, एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट, पर्सनल इंटरव्यू, फाइनल सिलेक्शन, अवेयरनेस कैंपेन जून जुलाई. तो दिस विल बी द प्रायर डेट बिफोर द लॉकडाउन, बट दिस ईयर इज एक्सेप्शनल ईयर ड्यू टू कोविड-19. और एक अवार्ड फंक्शन रहता है. हाउ टू अप्लाई? तो अगेन इफ यू आर इन रिक्वायर वी विल प्रोवाइड दिस डिटेल, दिस PPT as well, okay, or you can download from the website as well. So all the details they have asked. Frequently आपके जो भी क्वेश्चन है उसके भी आंसर्स उन्होंने दिए हैं. Okay. Yes, Mugdha, anytime. Do FE student know division? Division you can you just write down FE. Just for the FE student, just write down FE. Your year I want, okay? Just fill that form. If you are having any query, now the platform is open to you.
हेलो मैम.
Yes.
ईशा परिवार की स्कॉलरशिप के लिए कैसे अप्लाई करना है?
Just URL दिया है उसमें जाके आप just find out the details, and if you get the contact number, just contact them.
Okay.
I am interested for this scholarship, so can you just give me the details? Look, do we have to specify the name of all scholarship are applying last block? Last block I didn't get what you want to ask.
हेलो मैम,
Now, yes.
मुझे को लिंक चाहिए, मतलब हाउ टू अप्लाई फॉर द स्कॉलरशिप के लिए.
That just fill the Google form right now, and those who are filling the forms, we will be providing that sheet which I have presented, na?
हेलो
मैम, आप लिस्ट प्रोवाइड करने वाले हो क्या स्कॉलरशिप की जो भी है?
Actually, I will be giving you this document on your mail IDs.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू.
Riddhi, just again, I will repeat. You have to bid. If you are interested for any one of the scholarship, you have to read the terms and conditions thoroughly. What are their requirements and what are they have mentioned that in the disclosure. Okay. It is not fixed, but yes, you can apply for more than one scholarship.
हेलो मैम, पीसीसीओई कॉलेज के लिए भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं क्या स्कॉलरशिप के लिए?
मतलब किसी कॉलेज मतलब
पीसीसीओई कॉलेज के स्टूडेंट अप्लाई कर सकते हैं ना स्कॉलरशिप के लिए?
यू आर नॉट ऑडिबल बेटा.
नहीं क्या?
ओके, just a minute. Hello. Hello. Ma'am, am I audible?
हेलो,
हेलो, हाँ.
पीसीसीओई कॉलेज के लिए स्कॉलरशिप के लिए अप्लाई कर सकती हूँ मैं मैम?
हाँ, मतलब जो गवर्नमेंट देने वाला है आपका वो ना.
स्कॉलरशिप फॉर्म के लिए मैम.
हाँ, कर सकते हैं ना बेटा.
हाँ, उसकी लिंक क्या है?
Actually, you have to then contact to the office, like
Okay.
free ship and all that thing. For that, you need to contact to the office, PCCA office. Okay.
ओके ओके.
Mm, so, no, last block is not compulsory. You can just dash it, right? Or NA for not applicable. मतलब आपने अभी डिसाइड किया है कि आई विल गो फॉर दिस स्कॉलरशिप ऐसे. ओके, कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर. Um, 9730524663. First, just I will request you कि before calling to me, just go through with the details thoroughly for that scholarship, right? And if you are not getting, the things are not getting clear, right, with the information, if that information is not sufficient, then you can call me, okay?
मैम,
Yes.
जैसे कमिंस की उसकी सेपरेट स्कॉलरशिप है, वैसे पीसीसीए भी कोई स्कॉलरशिप प्रोवाइड करती है क्या?
Cummins College is not providing, Cummins Industry is providing.
ओके ओके.
Yes, any other question you are having? All have done with filling the form so that you will get that PDF. Okay, 38 students have filled.
हेलो मैम।
Yes.
मैम ये लास्ट क्वेश्चन कंपलसरी है क्या फिल करना?
कौन से?
आर यू अप्लाइंग फॉर स्कॉलरशिप, प्लीज स्पेसिफाई द नेम।
Not applicable लिखो वहाँ पे.
ओके मैम,
Not applicable.
थैंक यू।
मतलब आप अगर अप्लाई कर रहे हो तो एक यस करो. मतलब आप एक भी स्कॉलरशिप के लिए इफ यू आर थिंकिंग ऑफ अप्लाइंग फॉर दैट स्कॉलरशिप देन यस. इफ यू आर नॉट एट ऑल थिंकिंग ऑफ स्कॉलरशिप से नो. इज दैट क्लियर?
यस मैम।
I think all have done with the filling the form. Yes. So can we now end the meeting? I will stop.
2 minutes, madam.
हाँ.
1 minute before leaving.